under control.
Hello, good morning. Nothing ever works on you. Got it. Okay. I'm Dr. Haldane. I need to listen to me. My granddad was a professor of myth and folklore at a local college, and he told me everything that I know about Nemesis when I was growing up. Ever since that journalist, Heather from Northern Star News, turned up at his office with the talisman, the violence of this place in lockdown, and my granddad vanished. There's something not right about finance, especially the new CEO, John Dalton. Look, I needed to find out what they did to my granddad, so I spent years studying science in order to infiltrate the lab's facility, working as an undercover genome scientist. I just thought maybe my granddad knew too much, he was a threat to their entire operation. And believe me when I say, I was right. He did know too much. This whole thing, it's a cover-up. The weaponizing Nemesis, their greed for control and narcissism, it's gone to their heads. They want to use Nemesis for their own military needs, and they haven't been caring for her. And I would know because they've had me sedate her, manipulate her DNA, and she's been reborn stronger, faster, and more dangerous than ever before. The thing that can contain her, but they can't. That research facility with the lift, that's the hatchery. They want global domination, and they're shipping her eggs out to all their sites around the world, and they want to train her offspring and use them for warfare. Strength and control, more like lies for control. Look, there's a reason this area is called Forbidden Valley. You need to get out of here, spread the word, and seek the truth.
Everything is under control.